In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Calendly and ActiveCampaign integration in 2025. To get started, open both Calendly and ActiveCampaign in separate tabs on your browser. Ensure you have admin access for both accounts, as this is necessary to complete the setup. Now let's talk about how you can integrate Calendly with ActiveCampaign. There are two popular methods you can choose from. Firstly, Calendly offers built-in integration options through services like Zapier, Make, or Pabbly Connect. While this method is straightforward, it may not offer the depth of customization some businesses need. Secondly, the most common and versatile option is using Zapier, which provides robust automation opportunities and is widely used around the world. For the purpose of this guide, we will be using Zapier. Log into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. It's fast and easy. Once you're in, click on Create Zap. This is where the magic happens. For the trigger app, select Calendly. You'll then need to choose a trigger event, which defines what starts the zap. This could be when someone books an event like invitee created or when someone cancels it. After you've chosen your trigger event, you will be prompted to connect your Calendly account. Make sure everything is linked correctly and test the trigger to ensure successful integration. With Calendly set up, move to the next step and add ActiveCampaign as the action app in Zapier. Here, you'll decide what happens in ActiveCampaign when your Calendly event occurs. Popular actions include creating or updating a contact, adding a tag, or placing the contact into a specific list. For this, you have to link your ActiveCampaign account by providing your API key and URL. You can find these details within ActiveCampaign under Settings, then Developer. At this point, you will see data fields from Calendly that need to be mapped to corresponding fields in ActiveCampaign. Take the time to map these fields carefully, matching, for example, the Calendly name to the ActiveCampaign first name, and so on. This ensures that all future automated processes run smoothly and accurately. Now it's time to test your setup. Click on Test Zap, book a test meeting in Calendly, and check your ActiveCampaign Contacts tab. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a test contact appear with the appropriate list and tag. And if it worked well, go ahead and click on Publish Zap. Here's a bonus tip. Now that Calendly and ActiveCampaign are effectively talking to each other, consider creating powerful automations in ActiveCampaign. You can automate emails for different stages, such as sending a thank you message after someone books or reminders before the meeting. Lastly, make sure you are regularly checking that your Zap is functioning as expected. Update your tags or automations whenever your offers or workflows change, and keep an eye on how your contacts list is evolving. This maintenance will ensure your system remains efficient and beneficial to your business.